YouTube? You already see what it is. It's your boy Khalifa Saad, and I'm back with another video. And yes, I am at G-Crest. Not a lot going on today. We're actually prepping the truck for a car show tomorrow. Tomorrow will be the Rex annual car show. That's where all of the bass heads come out, the Japanese bass heads, and we battle. Sometimes. But it's more than just a bass. Well, it's actually not even a bass car show. It's a car show, and they carve out a section of the show for us bass heads to show our stuff. So, looking forward to that. Doesn't happen often here, but when it does, there are a couple other Japanese bass heads that show up to the show that I'm cool with, and we get to hang out together because they live far away, so we don't see each other much. But yeah, that's all we really got going on is just get the truck prepped. And the next time you guys see me, we'll be at the car show, so don't go nowhere. So I told you guys the next time you saw me, I was going to be at the car show. So this is a continuation of the previous video where I was at the shop and we were getting the truck clean for this car show. It's just a regular car show. It's not like a car audio show. I don't know if they're going to let me do demos or not. We'll try to get some demos in. But I've already been told to turn my music down because it's too loud. And they've got some people trying to perform on the stage. And they honestly sound like ass. But we'll walk around, take a look at the cars, and go from there. We'll see what's going on. Not as big of a turnout as it normally is. I know the word got out, but I guess a lot of people didn't want to participate. I know I'm going to get hit with copyright too. It's cool. It is what it is. Shots like New Year's Day, like a revolver, round and round it goes. Will it ever stop? Nobody knows. I'm rolling, and things ain't stolen. California raised, so I stay golden. Up in the land, hitting the switches. Whip up the bottom. Shut the fuck up, お前らじゃのほらほら全然刺激が足んないよ足りないの味噌フル回転
ぐるぐる回るこの世界で俺らのバンブースと準備パターン起こさない S と磨いてるセンスを俺らのバンブースと準備パターン燃料なら満タンついてこいよ We are バサー俺と俺のダッシュみんなでクラブでパーティー背負ってる感じ空からフライなんだかんだ感じありがとうございます
I'm a shoe anyway. Everybody look at rock, what's the silhouette?
Ho, ho, hey, and to the S, we are SOBIU, represent Hiroshima West Siders. 外の壁ぶち壊すだけ All black には宣言飛ばせローカルされきどこのスタン CMS 音のステージでねラブカットゲットなバイトとウィートのシートのみどんギバーバックWhat?
Alright.
できた。よかったね。フィニッシュ。はい。お疲れです。おはようございます。4本目30じゃない。それぐらい。
So you guys can see that's pretty much it for the cars that are at the show. It's a smaller showing than normal, but at least we're doing something. I mean, we didn't think that there was going to be any shows this year, because last year all of the shows got canceled, even though COVID was damn near over. I think there might have been 1 or 2 shows last year. There's been several shows this year. This is only the first one I've come to, but it's my last one as well, which is the reason I came to it, because they reached out to me and asked me if I was coming. I figured since I'm still here, I'll attend this show prior to going off to my next destination, and, you know, get a little content in before I leave, at a car show at least. But anyway, hopefully I'll be able to give some demos and won't get shut down, because they pretty much said as long as anything is not going on stage, or they're not making any type of announcements, I should be okay to play. But we'll see, because sometimes things change. You got to be fluid. But I will get some demos in eventually. So you guys just stay tuned. Don't go nowhere.
Together that we're undone. Won't commit, so we choose to run away. Do we separate? When times are rough, when times are rough, I made sure I held you close to me. So call on myはい、到着しまして。ありがとうございます。はい、到着しまして。
はい。はい、どうぞしまして。やばい。すごいな。もうだって、ミラまで揺れようよ。ありがとう。はい、ありがとう。はい。いやこういうことか。ありがとうございました。So in the process of demoing, I've broken about 6 of these screws out of the subwoofers, out of 2 different subs. So the sub on the top driver's side was hanging, and the one on the bottom side back corner was hanging as well. This screw is bent to hell, so I'm gonna have my boy Cooper run me to NAFCO, grab some more screws. Luckily Makoto came to the show with me because Makoto's small and he can actually climb in the port. So he's climbed in the port and temporarily spaced out the screws, so the subs are holding in place. But like I said, we gotta go get more screws because I'm about 6 screws short right now. Once Cooper comes, we'll shoot the NAFCO, grab some new screws, come fix the setup and get back to demoing. So you guys just stay tuned. So we've arrived at NAFCO. Thanks to Coop. glad he came out to support. I'm glad Makoto came with me too, because if not, your boy would be screwed. Literally. One sub only had 2 screws left in it, and the other one only had like 3 left in it. So we're gonna go in here and buy these screws and then get back to the show. Makoto's gonna have to climb back in the port and put those screws in, so. Hopefully they got them. Let's see. Let me grab this stuff and get out of here. So unfortunately, the NAFCO that Cooper and I went to was one of the small NAFCOs. It's because we're out in the country. So all they have is a small home center. And they didn't have the screws that I needed. So I grabbed what they had just in case to see if they will bite and hold the subwoofer in place, but they're entirely too short. So I think what I'm gonna have Makoto do is, so he's already gotten the top subwoofer in. As a matter of fact, let me let you guys see. I don't know if you can see. Let me grab my flashlight from my cell phone.
Hey, Chris, you want something to eat?
No, I'm good. I just ate a sandwich.
Lunch.
Hi, you need money? Hi, those are. Hi. So, let me climb up in here. What up?
You got a rag?
I don't have a clean one.
Man, I just want to wipe down this.
Oh, you trying to wipe down the bike?
Yeah, because I put too much wax on it.
Okay, there you go.
Appreciate you.
I thought you were trying to get a clean rag to wipe something up with. Alright, so let me see if I can get you guys a look in here. So this subwoofer right here was actually hanging. It broke off 5 of the bolts on this side. That top one needs to be screwed in. But then it did the same thing on that bottom one right there. So what I'm gonna do is have Makoto take a bolt from this side, a bolt from the other side, plus this one here, and then put 4 bolts into that bottom subwoofer just to hold it in place. I'm not gonna be banging on it anymore. Demos are done. I just need to get this thing wrapped up so I can take it back to the house without my subwoofer rolling around in the enclosure. Bass problems. Catch you guys in a minute. So the show is finally over. Everybody's breaking down, as you guys can see. We've already taken the tarp down. Special shout out to my boy Evan who came out to support. I had some other people out here as well, but I didn't record them because we were too busy trying to fix the truck. We took 2 screws out of one of the subs on the other side and put them in the last sub that was hanging just to get it mounted in place. I'm not gonna lie, I played on it a little bit, I just didn't record it. Just wanted to do that so we can make sure we make it back to the house without the sub rolling around in the back of the enclosure. But right now they're doing the award ceremony way down there at the stage. They're calling out entry numbers. Yeah, so we're just gonna see what happens. I wasn't here half the time anyway because I was running around looking for screws. So it is what it is, but it was a good show. It wasn't as big as I thought it was gonna be. A lot of people didn't make it out this year, but maybe next time. I won't be here, but this one only happens here once a year, so who knows, I might be back in town for this one. we'll see what happens. But I'll cut you guys back on in a minute. Just dropped Makoto off at the shop, and I'm glad the show is over because I really think I broke something this time. I told Cooper I was going all out, and if I break something, I just break it and I fix it later. Well, I think that's what I did. I was playing the subs pretty hard. So hard that the screws that were holding them in place, some of them snapped off and others broke the wood that they were screwed into. So I was unable to put screws back into those holes. We were able to shift the subs just a little bit to create new holes, and I think that's what I'm going to have to do. I'm definitely going to have to take this system apart and work on it at some point. Of course, it probably won't be before I go to my next destination, because I don't really have the time. I have the time, but it's gonna be a headache. So I think what I'll do is, since the truck is just gonna be sitting for a while, when I come back and forth to Japan, I'll take it apart a little at a time until I get all of the issues resolved. But yeah, it was a good show. Had a lot of fun, gave quite a few demos until, of course, Cooper checked that my subwoofer was hanging by 2 screws. So each subwoofer has 8 screws in it. The top one was holding on by 2 screws, and the back corner bottom one was hanging on by 1 screw. All the other screws had either snapped or they had just broken away from the wood. Hey, I guess those are base problems, but I got a solution for it. It's not gonna happen anytime soon. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It's been your boy Khalif Assad checking out with another video. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe. Click that post notification bell, turn it to all so you know when I drop a new video. I hope you guys enjoy the footage, and I will catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.